So hey guys, ever found yourself in a position where you're like, okay, I really need to come up with a presentation, but then you only have 5 minutes left, or you're like running really late and you're traveling to the place and you've suddenly been hit with, oh fuck, you really need to make a presentation. Well, worry not. I've got you covered. I'm your host, Kishore, and I'm going to be teaching you how to use ChatGPT and Gamma and a perfect workflow scenario where you can use it to come up with PPTs in an instant. So stay tuned, and I'm going to teach you how now. Okay, guys, now that we have ChatGPT opened up, so we're just gonna put in a prompt which covers our topic real quick. So the topic for the video we've taken is AI changing the way we learn? Is it good or bad? So yeah, this is the prompt we're gonna be putting in. Okay, so now that we have the answers given to us, which will be necessary to come up with our PPT, we can go through it once and check if there's anything we would like to dive into more so that we're able to present a much more nicer PPT. So looking at this, I think we can work more on the trends to watch and the case study thing. So we're going to enter a few prompts and get us more research on those aspects. And once that's done, I think a PPT will be ready. And yeah, this is the prompt we're going to be using for the case study part. And then boom, there you go. We have all the details we would like from our case study, which is a little bit more specific than the previous ones. Okay, so now that we have everything ready for the PPT, we're just gonna form a quick outline using a quick prompt. And once that's done, we'll have an outline ready, and then we could just paste it in Gamma and load up our PPT. Okay guys, now that we have our outline copied, we're just gonna head over to Gamma and then click on create new option, the one with the AI. And once you click that, you'll be able to see three different options. We're just gonna click on paste in text and paste in our outline. And now once that's done, make sure you keep your presentation as the default option and do not interfere with the traditional or at all, because they look odd and the default one is just fine. Yeah, and if you scroll down, you could see what do you want to do with this content. Just click on generate from notes and outline. And once that's done, you'll be able to see the prompt editor. Prompt editor lets you play around with the PPT a lot. You get to choose what type of images are we going to be using for the PPT, what happens with the text content. Here I'm just going to click on preserve because I don't want the text change in between. And for the images, we're just going to use web images and select all, because the AI images are good, but like they tend to mess around sometimes. So it's good if we just use the all images option. And then boom, we click on continue and we should head over to pick a theme option. Here we're just gonna stick to, let's see which theme looks good. Yeah, we're just gonna stick to finesse. Yeah, and once that's done, we click on generate. And here you can see that our PPT is being generated thanks to the prompts we have given. If you give it like a minute or two, it should be done. And boom, there you go, guys. Our PPT is done, and all it took us was a few prompts and a couple of minutes, and there you go. And boom, there you go, guys. Your very own PPT. All it took was 5 minutes.